Hello my loves, today I'm sharing 4 incredibly easy styles I like to wear with my Senegalese twist. But first, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more videos. Let's go ahead and get into it. For look number 1, I wanted to go for a really nostalgic 90s type of feel. I'm using a hair tie for extra thick hair. I'm going to grab a small portion of the front of my twist and with that hair tie it up and flip it to the side. Look number 2 is so easy, but when you do it, especially if you've been wearing your hair in the middle part for a while, it changes the entire feel and look of your twists. To complete the look, just add in some hair jewelry and be careful not to snag and pull on the twist too hard when you're ready to take them out. Look number 3 is very similar to look number 1, except we're taking the entire front half of the twist and tying it up and letting the hair fall over each side to give like a really full look. For this style to work, you have to make sure that you're positioning the ponytail at the very top of your head instead of towards the back of your head. If you've done look number 3, then look number 4 is very easy to transition to. Just take the hair from the ponytail and gently wrap it around the hair tie into a bun. Secure the bun in place with another hair tie because bobby pins will pull the twist apart when you're undoing them. Lastly, I'm going to tuck in any leftover hair that's sticking out and put it back into the bun.
Put your whole face up.
I cut my whole face up?
You're supposed to be gun.
That's how it's supposed to look.
So those are all the looks I love to rock when I'm wearing my Senegalese twists. Thank you guys so much for coming through to watch this video. If it helped you out at all, be sure to give it a thumbs up and I'll see you guys around next time.